So you've finally done it. You've mustered courage and now on square one of the entrepreneur life. Yet you might be thinking about how to start things off on the right foot. Don't worry. Here are 10 important rules that you should follow as an aspiring entrepreneur. Rule number 1. Know what you love. First things first. You need to know what you're most passionate about. If you start a business that you know you won't enjoy in the long haul, you're basically setting yourself up for failure. Remember that entrepreneurship demands hard work, so you want to make sure that you're starting something you'll actually want to be doing every day. Rule number 2. Believe in yourself. Whatever you feed in your mind can either lift you up or tear you down. Remove that negativity and inject confidence and positivity. Be your own empowerment coach. Believe in yourself and your big idea. After all, if you don't believe in yourself, no one will. Rule number 3. Do your research. Next step is to analyze your market. Start by looking at other companies within your niche. What products and services do they offer? What makes them stand out? What do they do poorly? Conducting market research helps you to find what other areas you can work on so you can have an edge against your potential competitors. Rule number 4. Understand your target market. Now that you're sure what business to establish, the next thing you need to consider is your audience. Who are you selling to? What are their wants and needs? How can you provide a solution to their problem? What can move them to engage with your business? Understanding your ideal customer profile will enable you to provide a service that can cater to their needs. Rule number 5. Set goals. Your business should have a direction. This is where goals take place. Create goals that are smart, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-sensitive. Having clear, well-defined goals motivate you to keep moving on the right track. Rule number 6. Create a business plan. After you've created your goals, you need to lay them out in a written document. You do this using a business plan. A business plan should clearly define your goals, your milestones, and timeframes for each objective. It's like a map that provides directions for the future, leading you to what your business projection should be. Rule number 7. Start slow. In this turbocharged and fast-paced environment, people are pushed to perform faster and are expected to achieve success instantly. However, you might adopt that mindset when it comes to your business, adrenaline-filled as you start on day 1. Yet to attain true success, you need to hold back and start slow. This means giving ample time for you to be physically, mentally, emotionally, and financially prepared. It also means taking into consideration your limits. Taking things slowly gives you time to plan and organize. Instead of having a gotta go now attitude, you set aside time to research information, ask for advice, and create a step-by-step process in reaching a specific goal. Starting slowly also allows you to become more patient, helping you to avoid the pitfalls of rushing. Rule number 8. Be consistent. There's no such thing as instant success. Consistency is the true ticket to any victory. To be consistent means being fully dedicated to accomplishing your goals. It requires commitment, having a sustained effort of action over the long term. Being consistent helps you to stay engaged without distraction, completely locked in on your objectives. Rule number 9. Invest in the best. As an entrepreneur, your job is to satisfy customers by providing the best premium services in your market. However, you'll only be able to do that if you invest in the right equipment, From the latest machines to professional software, make sure that you allocate a budget for these areas. Top-notch equipment provides more efficiency and consistency, allowing your business to stay ahead. When you make your customers feel that they've received exceptional service, they'll surely patronize your business, which in return provides more profit and market visibility. Rule number 10. Join a community. Let's face it, you can't know everything. You need to hear thoughts from other people. A second opinion, if you will. Fortunately, there are a lot of communities, both online and offline, that are willing to support one another, for they unite with a common goal or idea. Why not engage with these people? Communities can be a real source of inspiration for you. Plus, you can get a deeper understanding of the ins and outs of the business you're trying to establish. Applying these rules provides a solid foundation as you embark on your journey as an entrepreneur. However, to become a successful entrepreneur, you need to know more than just fundamentals. In Chapter 3, we'll provide the best tips, practices, and advice on how to become a successful entrepreneur.